Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Today I have this 2017 Toyota Tacoma TDR Sport double cab, 4x4, V6, moonroof, bought brand new in Bismarck, North Dakota. That 3-inch lift was installed brand new at the Toyota dealership. The color is quicksand with the graphite interior. JBL audio, which is factory, remote start, heated seats, you name it. Back to the wheels and tires, those are some 285s on there. They're just about new. Thing is clean inside and out, inspected. We're going to buy you a warranty that covers your powertrain until it's 10 years old or has 200,000 miles on it. Seated Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.